got the donuts.
Excuse me, I think I need to do the back too. Might be able to get by with brakes on this though. But these right here, these shits is gone. Do this. Ho, 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 ho. Fired up to do brakes this morning. Okay, this is the jack. I'm embarrassed, but it took me 10 minutes to find this damn thing. What hat I got on? Oh no, we can't be sweating out the beamer hat working on no damn Ford. This goes back to the truck. Back in the car. That M series. I always use multiple jacks. And I don't know if those stands are gonna hold it. They 2 tons, so they should be all right. But I use the jack for the truck. But I use 2 jacks. Yeah. Safety first. I don't think I need to use this red jack, but I'll just slide it up on here anyway, just for the hell of it. I thought my wheel alignment might have been bad, but that's pretty good. I got a lot of miles on these tires. Well, not a lot, but I've had them for a while. So, that's not as bad as it looked. I mean, it's bad, but yeah. Now, ordinarily, I would be real cheesy and just put brake pads on here, but that's just some bullshit. Don't do that, man. You already got the parts. Putting brake pads on rotors like that is unsafe. That's the beautiful thing about working on a Ford truck. You might have to work on them a lot, but changing the brakes is, oh, that was a fucking ant. Yes, I did say fucking ant because I got bit by an ant a few years ago, and I still remember that shit like it was a horror, because he bit the shit out of me. I'm telling you, this dude sent me into shock. I might have to spray up in this room. I did spray up in here, though. I shouldn't have any bugs in here. He must have smelled it straight. Unless there's an ant bed in my damn truck. Yeah, that's not an ant, that's a spider. That's worse than an ant. All right, WD-40's been sprayed on there. I might hit it again. Now, I am supposed to take some brake fluid out of here. But I might not have to do that. brake fluid thing. It's not that hard to do. I think it's down pretty low. Yeah, see, Max is here. I think when I push him back, it'll be all right. I'll just watch it to make sure it doesn't go over. If it goes over, I'll stop and take something out. Because when I decompress these pads, of course the fluid's gonna go up. It's got to bleed here, but I don't want to get no air in the system. I'm just gonna push them back with a C-clamp. And yeah, let's get this shit going. All right, one is off. You can leave that up there for a minute, cause I gotta get my hood rat brake caliper holder. Somebody has made a device to hold this caliper. Some fancy tool. I use a clothes hanger, dog. Perfecto. I'm gonna squeeze this back in. So I got a C-clamp. Squeeze that back in there. Caliper back in. And then it's just a question of busting this off, these two bolts, and popping that off. Probably gonna take a hammer though. Let me do some magic WD-40 on this bad boy. See how bad were the pads? They were getting there. Like they were just beat up real bad. The shims should be replaced. Right, I don't know what step this is, 3, 4, 10, whatever, but that's the bolts for the brake caliper holder, or the frame, whatever you want to call it. Now all I gotta do is get this off, which I forgot to spray WD-40 on it. So that was pretty easy. Just popped it a couple times, and it came off. Alright, so that's the hard part. Now it's all about cleaning off the rust and all that good stuff, which I don't have shit to clean off rust. But when you're a garage mechanic, you do what you gotta do. WD-40 the shit out of that. So this shit is heavy. So I cleaned them up, got the oil off with some brake cleaner, because the guy told me they come with oil on them to keep them from rusting. And you want to kind of get that off. It's got a little spot on it. But now, the hard part. Actually, this is probably the easy part, is putting all this back together and then going to the other side. This shit is hard work. That's why they charge you. Camera with it. That's why they charge you an arm and a leg to do this shit. I mean, because if you had to do it yourself, which with the right tools, it's not that hard, but this shit is a lot of work. I've been out here for about 45 minutes, and I just got this one side off. So an hour a side. That's pretty much what it takes to do this. This guy's video is take a lug nut to hold it on while you put all this shit back together. And an auto mechanics from this auto mechanics instructor, Mr. Berkheimer, was you need to be able to screw the bolt in easily by hand first before you put a wrench on it. That way you can pretty much ensure you're not cross-threading the shit. So I can screw them in by hand most of the way, I know I'm okay. You ever get your brakes done and you get them back and they squeaking like hell still, but you know they got done? It's because they didn't put any grease on the back of these. You gotta put grease on the shims and on the back, buddy. Otherwise, this shit gonna sound like you got the raggedest brakes in America. And voila, it's done. Of course, once I push on the brakes, get the calipers back up against the pads. That's it. Just gotta clean them up with a little brake cleaner, and side one done. Make sure you don't leave your professional caliper hanger. That's it. Side two next.